roadside. We've got the BMW there. Got the Audi there. Another customer car over there. But yeah, I got the dogs over here. I see you. Yeah, boom. Door card lineup. Shape's looking alright. It's looking alright. Can work with it. And this one, pre-cuts made earlier. Can work with it. Yeah, so now that we know that the CAD, cardboard aided design, works, don't worry about the pattern that's on there. But now we know it works, we can remove it from the door card because we have stuck it on. We can remove it from the door card and start getting choppy. Boom. Line them up. Everything's lined up. But yeah, we are working on the E46 today. Obviously we're doing the door cards up and that. So we're soon gonna have them ready to jing jang jong in the front of the car there. All that shit there. So we started, I took out the floor, took out the sub box, stripped out all these shitty wires. This is what was in there. We did a sub swap, so now this is mine now. I've got a little tear in there, but I'm sure we can try and repair that shit piece of thing. It's got bad tape on it and that. Fucking hell, look at this. What is this? Oh my god. There's more. Fucking hell, it's like past the parcel in this country. Who's passing this parcel out? I don't want this. Fucking hell. Who built this box? Fucking hell. I was curious, I was looking at where the port was. And the port is on the back of the box. I thought it's some big port, yeah? But look at that. So it looks like it just does an S. And we've got the banger. Yeah. Go and get the juice. Use the sub as a table. Got the dogs out today. That's Harley. She looks like her mummy. Yeah. So in removing the floor pan, this is what we're dealing with. Opening that. This looks like it's all one piece, so the car just falls apart, mate. Yeah, definitely. Oh, that's on now. Bloody hell. What is going on in here? That's all we're there. So I'm thinking I need to get the phone handle, camera stand. The visions for this one are vigilant. Very vigilant for this one. Oh dear. This can go like one of two ways, because this is the battery he's decided to buy. It's lithium, but it's a lithium battery. It's it's not lithium cells. And I recommended him get some yin longs, and that's what he should do. So with that being said, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm indecisive, man. But basically, if he gets the yin longs, can put them down here. But if he gets a bank of 2 bank, I would like to put bank aside and wire it like that. Space wise, space consuming. But for now, I got a vision and it doesn't include this thing. So that's what time it is. Right, so I do believe that is a better angle. Can we see it nice and clean? Yes, we can. Well, go on YouTube. So, this is my plan. This. That is my plan, but part of the plan. But to be honest, with my plan, I don't need it. Alright, I don't need it. So, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, bro. So, I'm just thinking, I don't know what, I'm just thinking, but I don't know what. So I've got an idea, I've got the gear and I've got the idea. So look, boom. Basically, I ain't gonna tell you what I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing. If you look over here, there's a straight air gap right all the way into the cabin, which is good. So I'm thinking I can draw it up. I can build a port, right, that shoots into that cabin and into the box at the same time as getting the lows. So we've got a little task on our hands. We need. Why not? We don't need that. What is under here? Let's see what we're looking at. Nothing. There's nothing under there. I got bored of the back and I jumped in the front. Pulled this head unit out to give it a little assessment. Something like that. One of them words there. Have a look. I'm analysing it. And you can see that there's a radio wire that's down there that's loose. Should have some tape on them. This is looking like the USB port for the device, which is never been used. Tangled. We'll get that run proper for him. Look, he's got USB, he never even knew it. Imagine that. I'll make him know now. Oh, this is looking like the remote wire. That's definitely the remote wire. I'm looking on the loom. It's got no sub output. It's only got one line of input left and right. So whether he wants to get a new stereo to suit the needs, it's up to him. But I should tell you this, I shall be strapping out of this wire here, which was the sub wire. He's used it as sub wire. It's no longer going to be sub wire. That's going to be something else, because we're going to have to input a shitload more of RCAs in, and that's not even the half of it, mate. But what I was thinking is, look, this needs to strip down, man. Come on, strip down, take out that. Right, it's in my way because I want to get in here as part of the custom. Oh, I don't even want to open back up. Part of the custom, I'm going to get rid of this. Ooh, there you go. Come on, ooh, come on. Yeah, baby. We don't need this. But we need some space in here. So we need this. Or do we? Ha 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 ha. Might just chop this out and relocate the switches. What do we reckon, chat? What visions can we see, card? That's not looking like a 2-spacer. That don't look like a 2-din space. I mean, just about. But look, in there, look. Fucking hell. And that's where I need to be, back there. So we might have to choppy out with the jiggy saw to get some depth. But we have to analyze and see what's going on behind it. So what I have figured out is if I take this out of this one, right, and I run these wires down, basically I can refit this here. And it fits snug. What is this? And it fits nice. So that's what I shall be doing. We'll see if he even realizes. And that's better than chopping it out like what I was gonna do. So this was up here, we've relocated it down here, and I've got more space back here now to play with. So that's what we shall be doing. So now I've run them wires down here. We've got all that space up the top here. I can definitely work with a 2-spacer in there after I chop out a piece of this. Yeah, I'll chop out a piece of that. The bottom piece. We should get the space that we need. Pulled out the whole stereo, chopped out all of this. We're going for a custom fit, mate. Remember, there was that unit, this unit was up here, I've relocated it, so now it's down here. Just trying to sort out these wires on the stereo. I've just literally unplugged the phonos that had heat shrink on them. Now looking at this phono, oh no, the phonos look alright still. But they got the remote wire on there, like, look at that. Oh, that's bullshit. Why would you even use that? And then make it so tight as well. Joke tin. Look at this. That needs to get taped up. It's only got one output for output. Rubbish. Look, here's another one. Heat shrinked phono lead. That's mad. And there's the USB you never knew he had. Fucking hell. Yeah, let's start running some wire. We got the EQs here. Gonna start seeing what I got. Can see the BM. Got this panel off and pieces out. Time to do this side now. Just down like this. There we go. So we can see what's going on in here. Disconnect that. Get these out of the way. Sort this out. Boom. So on here. Disconnect. And there we have it. Ready for some door panels. Nice little space here I could attack. A space here. Boom. Oh, there we have one side out. And the other side's out. I'm gonna start working on getting them door cards done. And we've got a hole here for the speaker wire from the door panel. If you look over there, we've already done that side. So this is the 9 core that I brought for the customer. 9 core, you know. Proper things. Give a little rundown. This is gonna go through here, run that wire back up here. That one's already run, you can see it tucking over there. Done some customs on the stereo, customized that gap, and we've got stereo in there, and we've run all EQ wires and that in there, all the phonos and that in there. And that in there, you see me? Yeah, boy. I got all the phonos down there because there's already a line in there running that. So this is going to be the 2 lines for the top. Sorry. There's going to have 3 amps in there. I've got our custom Tom Crown panels in there for the battery. Oh, we've got some door cards up here going on. Yeah. Mad. That one there got, you get chop out for that. Woof. And we've got the rear door cards here ready to go. We've got all this shit here on the floor. Old sub box gonna throw away. We've got the new sub box over there, but we're not showing that one yet. Bin in here. We've got all of in here dynamated, doo-doo matted. We've got a little temporary something going on the side. I was just getting some measurements for this amp here. It's so fucking big, which makes my life so much harder. I've yanked this off so I've got access to get through the other side. What else? We've got this lithium battery in here that the customer's brought, 100 amp hour. Recommended to get lithium, but he's using this for now. And yeah, not very much more going on this one yet still. Take it back around here. This is the 9 core coming through the door. And it's just, this is gonna go into the door. It's already run and it's underneath, can't see it. But it comes out, it's here. So I've got all of this to run into the back, which is nice. Do you get me? And then we can work on sorting out all this shit. We've got ideas, but we've got rings. Made some rings. But remember, everything's sponsored by D-Walt. But yeah.